सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. RITES has secured a major order from Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, MCL, for detailed engineering and project management consultancy services. The project involves rail connectivity for a proposed Phase 2 silo at Lakhanpur area of MCA. The order size is 28.00 crore excluding GST, and the project is to be executed within 24 months. Sumi Conveyor Beltings Limited has secured 2 domestic orders totaling 4,864 rupees and 54 paise lakh. The first order, from NLC India Limited, is for 24,300 meters of steel cord conveyor belt valued at 4,780 rupees and 51 paise lakhs. The second order, from Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited, is for 3,750 meters of conveyor belt valued at 84 rupees and 3 paise lakhs. The execution periods are 7 to 8 months and 3 to 6 months respectively from the date of purchase order acceptance. There is no promoter interest or related party involvement in these orders. Gateway Distripast Limited has received settlement orders under the Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024 from the Income Tax Department. The original tax demand of 5,49,88,545 Indian rupees has been reduced to 2,19,57,149 Indian rupees, which the company has already paid. This settles all pending demands for the specified assessment years 2017-18, 2018-19, 2019-20, and 2020-21 and eliminates further interest and penalties. The company had previously announced the receipt of some of these orders. Artifact Projects Limited has been awarded a contract for independent engineer services during the operations and maintenance period for a 4-lane highway project in Maharashtra. The contract, valued at approximately 436 rupees and 37 paise lakh excluding GST, was awarded by the National Highway Authority of India and will span 60 months. This project is in association with Mangalam Infra and Engineering Limited. Vascon Engineers Limited has received a letter of intent worth 85.43 crore from Yaka Promoters LLP for the construction of a commercial building in Pune. The project is to be completed within 3 years. The promoter of Vascon Engineers Limited has a 50% profit-sharing interest in Yaka Promoters LLP, making this a related party transaction conducted at arm's length. Vascon Engineers Limited has received a letter of intent worth 225.46 crore from Royal Rites Private Limited for the construction of 2 terminal buildings and ropeway tower works in Panaji and Race Magos, Goa. The project, awarded on a design and build basis, is to be completed within 36 months. Itcons E-Solutions Limited has received a work order from the Southeast Central Railway, Indian Railways for providing 2 manpower resources on a contractual basis for 1 year. The total value of the order is 13,13,055 Indian rupees and 60 paise. Rajesh Power Services Limited, RPSL, has secured new orders worth 1,116 crore. The orders involve turnkey contracts for height/MV networks, substations, and underground cables in Gujarat to be completed within 12 to 18 months. These orders were received from a combination of government and institutional customers. Web Solutions Limited has received a demand order for tax, interest, and penalty totaling approximately 37,73,619 Indian rupees for 5/2017-18 from the Joint Commissioner of Commercial Taxes, Bengaluru. The demand pertains to allegedly short-paid tax and wrongly availed input tax credit. The company states that this order will not have a material impact on its financials or operations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।